Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm gonna show you guys how you can fix voice chat in Sea of Thieves. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find your games and apps. Here on the right, you're gonna find your game library. Right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find all of your installed games and applications on this device. Here in the left, you're gonna find PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store. And right here in the top, you're gonna find all of the sections. Here you're gonna find games, media, search, settings, and here you're gonna find your profile icon. So basically guys, right now, if you want to fix voice chat in Destiny 2 on or in Sea of Thieves on the PlayStation 5, go ahead and click on settings. And then once you do that, go to sound. Once you're here in sound, you're gonna find your microphone settings, audio output, 3D audio for TV speakers and also for headphones. And here you're gonna find volume. First of all, go ahead and click on microphone and then click on input device. Once you do that, go ahead and choose the microphone that you are using. As you can see guys, in my case, right now I'm using the microphone on controller. Once you select your mic, go to adjust microphone level. And then from here, you can either increase or decrease your microphone level. Just click on X and then, as you can see guys, you can adjust your level while hearing your voice in the background. Once you do that, then you can go to audio output and then make sure you choose your output device from here. If you have any headphones, select your headphones and then you can go here to volume and adjust your volume. Once you finish, just go back and your problem will be fixed. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.